Regular tenant engagement lays the foundation for strong, lasting relationships. With powerful, intuitive communication tools, Affinity helps housing organisations stay connected, informed and responsive. Let's start with tenant letters. The Affinity team will work with you to add custom letter templates to your account that make personalised communication easy. We'll illustrate this with an example. Perhaps one of our tenants has fallen into rent arrears and we wish to issue an appropriate letter. Within the tenant area, we have a section dedicated to correspondence. From the letters area, I click on Generate Letter. I'm going to describe this item of correspondence and then select a custom template from the drop-down list. Using dynamic mail merge tags, Affinity automatically populates key tenant details, including the tenant name or names, the account number, the arrears balance, the date and value of the last payment made, and the property address. Although generated from a template, I'm still able to modify and format the text. When I've completed any required updates, I click on Add to store the letter. Once generated, letters can be printed for posting or emailed directly to the tenant, whatever works best for your workflow. Letters can be professionally branded with your organization's custom header, maintaining a consistent and trustworthy appearance. But Affinity goes beyond letters. You can log calls, send SMS messages, and record meetings all within the same platform. This gives you a full history of communication with each tenant. Do you ever need to reach multiple tenants quickly? Affinity supports bulk communication through circulars, perfect for things like upcoming property inspections, and broadcast SMSs for time-sensitive updates. I'll show one of these features in action. A circular to be sent to all tenants in a particular housing group, informing them of the upcoming annual property inspection. We select circulars from the menu bar, then click on Add Circular. Give the circular a name and a subject. I'll use the same text for both. As you can see, we can choose to generate a printable set of letters or email them instead. And then select a template type from the drop-down. When I click on Save and Continue, you'll see the tags that will be replaced for each tenant to whom this letter will be distributed. These we leave untouched. There are certain pieces of text that we are required to add, such as the inspection date, and the name of the housing officer. I'll just add a couple of these, but you get the picture. I then click on Save and Continue. Next, I select the intended recipients. In this case, all tenants in a particular housing group, but I do have the option of deselecting individual tenants. After doing this, I click on the Save and Continue button again. And lastly, I click on the Generate Printed Circular button. Affinity will initially show a status of processing, but this will quickly progress to completed. So let's view the resulting output. We'll see that we have a letter for each tenant, with every letter customized with the relevant tenant's name, address, and account number. As you can see, with Affinity, communication is clear, consistent, and coordinated, helping you build better relationships